Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can buy Steam games with Apple Pay. Now this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now it is important to note that you can't actually directly buy Steam games with Apple Pay, however there is still a way that we can get this to work. And the first thing you'll need to do is head over to some sort of website that sells gift cards. From there you can type in Steam and then choose Steam gift cards. And from there, you can see all the gift cards that they have available, and you just want to choose whichever one you want to buy. So let's just say we only wanted to spend £10, we can choose this one here, and then we can go to checkout. And then as you can see, one of these payment options down here is actually Apple Pay. So if you're doing this via your phone, you will actually have the option to buy this with Apple Pay. From there, you can just go ahead and open Steam, and you can either head into your settings and find the gift card option, or we can just click Steam gift cards here. That will open up this page and you can just click here to redeem a physical gift card and click continue. And from there it says enter your Steam wallet code to add funds to your Steam wallet. So you just have to type in the code that gets sent to you, and from there once you add it and click continue, they will add the money into your balance. And just to know, it does say down here that not all gift card currencies can be redeemed in all regions, so you do want to make sure to buy the correct one. So once you have actually added that into your account, you can then spend the money in your wallet on anything you like. So that's how you can buy Steam games with Apple Pay. I hope you found this video helpful and thanks for watching.